Hello and welcome to the fifth tutorial on Python programming. In the last tutorial, we discussed binary number system. In that tutorial, we discussed how to get an intuitive sense of what a binary number system is. You can spend some time and practice that intuition. So in this tutorial, we are going to learn how to convert decimal number system to binary number system and vice versa. So this is a formal introduction and let's see how it goes. So first of all, let's see what is decimal number system. So for example, I have written this 58029 in decimal number system. This is 58,029. Now here each place stands for something. For example, this. So this is the this means any number at this place means 9 times 10 to the power 0. That is 1. 9 times 1. Anything here means 2 times 10 to the power 1, that is 20. So it's 20. And anything here means 10 to the power 2. 0 times 10 to the power 2, it means 8 times 10 to the power 3. And here you it means 5 times 10 to the power 4. So that's how number system work. So you can write it like this. That's what I say right now. And when you convert it to like normal numbers, not in exponents form, so it is like this, and when you add them together you'll get that number back. You may say that this not making any sense now, but this is something which you have to understand, that why is it so, how is it so, for you to be able to understand the conversion from decimal number system to binary number system. Now, having said that, let's switch to how binary numbers are written. So here is an example of binary number. It's 11011. We don't know what it is. It's not 10, 11, 1011. It's not like that. It's another number. It's just that it's written in binary. So like in decimal number system, in binary number system also, every place stands for something. For example, this means the first place means 2 to the power 0, that is 1. So this means 1 times 1. This means 1 times 2. This means 0 times 4. This means 1 times, this is 8. And this means 1 times 2 to the power 4, that is 16. Right? Now when you convert it to like normal representation, it is like 16, 8, 2, 0, 2, 1. Right? And when you add them together, you get what this number is. This is 27 in binary, written in binary. So this is how you convert from binary number system to decimal number system. Now exercise time. Write the following binary numbers in decimal number system. So these are all written in binary number system. You have to write these numbers in decimal number system. So pause the video here. So I'm going to show you the answer now. 3, 2, 1. Yes, here are the answers. So match your answers with this. If it matches, then very good. If it doesn't, see if you are right or not, or maybe I am right or not. In case I am wrong, please feel free to comment and let me know. I'll correct this. Okay. Now let's move on. Now let's come to decimal number system to binary number system conversion. So for example, I have 59. So this number is in decimal number system. We want to convert it into binary number system. How will we write 59 in binary? So first of all, we'll draw these straight lines, and then we'll start dividing this number by 2 again and again. So how it works, so for example, write 2 here on the left. So 2 times 29 is 58, and the remainder is 1. So you keep on dividing this so until you get 1 here. So again, write 2 here. 2 times 14 is 28, remainder is 1. Again write 2 here. 2 times 7 is 14, remainder is 0. You keep on writing remainders to the right. Again write 2 here in the left. Divide it, divide the 7 by 2, you get 3 as quotient and 1 as remainder. Again write 2 here, and you divide 3 by 2, you get 1 as quotient and 1 as remainder. So here you have converted 59 to binary number system. How? So this is like this. If you read this, these remainders from bottom to up, you are actually reading 59 in binary. So 59 binary is 1 1 1 0 1 1. So this is what 59 is in binary number system, written in binary number system. Now let's switch to another exercise. 68. Let's convert 68 to binary. Draw these straight lines. Keep dividing it by 2. So 2 times 34 is 68. Remainder is 0. Then I write 2 to the left. 2 times 17 is 34. Remainder is 0. Again 2 times 8 is 16. Remainder is 1. Again 2 times 4 is 8. So remainder is 0. 2 times 2 is 4. Remainder is 0. 2 times 1 is 2, remainder is 0. So you keep on dividing until you get 1 here. So once you get 1 here, you have converted this number into binary number system. Again, read it from bottom to up. So you have like this 1 0 0 0 1 0 0. So this is 68 written in binary number format. So this is how you convert from decimal number system to binary number system. Now exercise time. Write the following decimal numbers in binary number system. So these numbers are written in decimal number system. You have to write it in binary number system. So pause the video here. So I'm going to show you the answers now. 3 2 1. Yeah, here are the answers. Match your answers with these answers. If they are matching, then good. If not, see what's the error. And thanks for watching.